Hi, it's Adam and Clark's Cavan here, live from the Cavan Equestrian Centre. We're deep into setup for the Cavan show, starting tomorrow at 12 o'clock, running until 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, and same again on Thursday. So I'm just going to give you a quick preview of what we have to offer, or what we have on display. So starting here with our RTV X1110, we'll move on to some of our domestic Kubota lawnmowers, your GR1600 and 2120. As you move up the range into your commercial lineup, you have your G Series 231 low and high dump, or your 261 high dump. We also have a B Series compact tractor with a front loader. One of our LX 401 complete with a cab. Going into the bigger range here, you have your 4063 66 horsepower, complete on turf wheels, which is also optional on agri wheels if required. We have our 115 horsepower M5112, complete with a front loader, ideal farmer's tractor. And our M6 101U, complete with a loader as well. Our M7 153, bit of a special edition one with black wheels and tinted windows. Our M6 142. Slane Track HT 1000 petrol mini track dumper, which has a high tip and a very narrow axis of 750mm. One of our Husqvarna zero turns professional grade mower with a 60-inch deck and a high horsepower petrol Briggs & Stratton engine. Here we have a Canycom 1402, which is a long grass cutter, rotary brush cutter machine, 4-wheel drive, suitable for tough terrain and rough grass. The next machine here is a Stella Raccoon, which is again another machine designed for rough terrain off heavy duty grass. Very heavy duty machine built up with you can cut that bit out. One of the models in our Eliet shredder, greenway shredder range. A range of Honda ATV or quads, and some of the accessories that we offer with them alongside, such as the Vortex sprayers, Wydale quiver boxes, JFC trailers, fertilizer spreaders, Logic weed lickers, and more. A couple of the Slane Track engineering range that we offer, such as the HC150 and HC180 finger bar cutters, suitable for mini diggers, and a HS75 saw head, again suitable for a mini digger as well. We have our range of Honda HF series, which has your 2417 and your 2625, both very popular options in the domestic cutting side of things. And our DCS 60 swing trimmer, which is basically a machine used for heavy duty grass, self-drive and all. And we have our HRX 537 self-drive walk behind lawnmower. That's just a small preview of the range that we have on offer at the Cavan Machinery Show, so do feel free to call in from tomorrow at 12 o'clock, which is open the whole way until 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, and the same again on Thursday. So get in and have a look.